Face the girl up on the opposite side. Pull your hair, choke your neck, come get.
But I want that. I want something there. What is that? What is that? But we're gonna get a lap dance.
Side. Pull your hair, choke your neck.
Boom, boom, bang! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now we're back with another reaction for you guys. Hold on, pause, hold up, pause. How it feel? You know, so wake up early in the morning with a bad reaction from the reaction boss. Feel bumbuckle belt good, right? Yeah, people, so I have Rebel Sixx, Heavenly, official video. The song dropped 2 days ago. I'm going to give it some time. I saw it drop. You hear me? But I'm going to give it some time. Come on, to go watch the song and listen to the video. Watch the video and listen to the song first. You hear me? Because I'm not watching it yet. I'm listen to you on now. You know what I mean? So right now, my first time I'm watching it too. You hear me? I say, Rebel Sixx, wake up yourself from the broker. You hear me? I say, Sixx real. Daddy one. You me say, people, tear up the like button. Well, I wake up out of your bed with the like button and the fire emoji them. I ever tell them if I wake up out of the bed with the like button and the fire emoji them. Run June! Yeah. It's a love song. Well, on the heavenly. What we think it's gonna be? Is it gonna be a love song? Well, I don't know already. I know. Is it gonna be a love song? Or is it a remix? Gospel? Rebel Sixx? Run June.
You know what? Go out to angels above. Girl, you got a heavenly hole. Pussy tight and it.
So, before you begin, because you're going to go ask angels above. Girl, you got a heavenly. So, I talk about the girl them. The girl them got the heavenly pumps. So, I'm prepared to see a fat pum girl in these videos. A lot of fat pum girl in the video, I should say. So, let me see what I go on. Oh, and I'm going to pause the video because I want you guys to see the reaction. So, if you guys want to watch the full video for yourself, go on to Rebel Sixx channel, go watch the video. You hear me? I say, run tune. Yeah. Why? Well on there. Cock up your body for the tail because of your own. Make them know so you got a heavenly hole. Go on now, my girl.
All pussy bless my girl. What a heavenly hole. Extraordinary OMG, I feel your ringtone.
Hold on, that twerk, she had twerk on the side in front. I want body, I want girl that twerk right there, so. Let's see what I go on like this. Hold on. Slow motion. Go on. I want to go on this. Yeah, she had twerk. Yeah. See there? What? Yeah, you got a heavenly hole. Alright, right June. Bob.
Girl, you got a heavenly hole. Girl, man,
Mind them. Rate her 1 through 10. 1 through 10. The arch. What little white so? Richard!
Face the girl up on the opposite side. Pull your hair, choke your neck, come get.
But I want that. I want something there. What is that? What is that? But we're gonna get a lap dance.
Side. Pull your hair, choke your neck, come get a nipple pipe. Big body swell your pussy and all like a take a time. Make your walk in the street like a.
Ooh, you lad, God, wait. She can't even play a pool. But well on the pause, I'm going to say a while ago. I want me to talk about a while ago, the dog. I want me to talk about a while ago, the dog. Yo, go on here, man.
Make your walk in the street like a gut grip a spine. Yeah. If wasn't it an athlete and that.
I just drop a fight a while ago. I can't drop a fight a while ago, my friend. No. I can't drop a fight a while ago. After me, I believe it, yo. Go on here, girl.
If wasn't it an athlete and that she
yeah.
Come fast, let me come same speed. Nobody fit blame.
Fast, let me come same speed. I saw she good. I saw she have the heavenly hole. I saw fast, she make you know. Jah know that. Go on.
Man, just an angel of 3
The Bob. Girl, you got the heavenly hole.
Pussy tight and it little but you love half up.
Hold on there. But you said that to me, say, no, your pumps tight and it little, but you love hot. It tight and it little, no. But at the same time, she love it hot. Like hot water when it a boil and it steam and come out tight. She like it hot. Hot. How go on? Up in your hole.
Pussy bless my girl. What a heavenly hole. Extraordinary OMG, I feel in your ringtone.
White back and white. You know, not hide something from me, so. Who this? Big up yourself. You know, hide something from me, right, so. White back and white. Must go mess. Most of them are trying to hide from
my girl. What a
me. I look. You don't see nothing there, so.
heavenly hole. Extraordinary.
Me I look. The panty up in her body, me see that. Yo, it was some wicked dog. You know, last interview, me see girl that pick out her body. I know. Me not even talk about it. Me never see nothing about it. Me never see that about it. Go on.
OMG, I feel in your ringtone. Go ask the angels above. Girl,
How that feel? Just tell me how that feel. With the ear, long, the girl, right in the crease of your body. And you twerk and you clap the ear them in your cheeks. Ugh. You know something dirty? But dirty in the dog! Yo, I need to clean up my act. I need to clean up my act. Go on.
the heavenly hole. Give me why you put it on.
Yeah.
Tell me how the funk, baby, gone on.
Yeah. Yeah. Make them know on the Rebel Sixx. Get that what you put. Yeah. Make me them know so that you want from them, brother. Big up yourself, Kevin 3657.
All figure the dogs, man, eh? The first life, yeah, the jugs, man, eh?
Yeah.
Pussy wet, but me not support amazing.
Oh, see, then me go for run back for her. Me they go back for her, but look the dog. Look at that big jumbo logo there what she got back her. Firm. Girl, you got a heavenly hole. Yeah, baby. Go on.
Sing up my girl in a limb shot.
Yeah, boy.
Think me just rest it now your mouth. That's some young rubber 6% down in your throat.
That's some young Rebel Sixx go down there. Oh, class. You know, long with a job for the done lighter. You know, long with a job for the done bumbuck belt lighter. You know, long with a job for the lighter. You know, long bumbuck. No. Yo. I'm gonna plug myself. Follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. You can type in reaction boss and find me see me on Instagram. Because right now Instagram doesn't see me post a video today. That time I already. But guess what? Yeah, for the latest scoop them if you do anything gonna happen before it happen on YouTube, Instagram, Tyrekevlogs, trust me. Go and go follow me over there, sir. But yo, you're in tune. Yo, you know I go on the Rebel Sixx. Yeah, I go send one of them Trinidad bad girl, yeah. In my DM on Instagram. You do me a say, bro, God? Because I go, yo, more on the tag Rebel Sixx in that scene, yeah. In your hole.
Pussy bless my girl. What a heavenly hole.
Well, I know, wait, it's more peek out through the door right as I want, right?
Girl, what a heavenly.
No, hold on. Watch your style.
Soul, pussy bless my girl.
No, me no more see. More see. What? See that? Watch your peek out.
Bless my girl. What a heavenly hole.
She said, oh yeah, them a feel I can't go there. Run tune. Yeah. Above. You got a heavenly hole. Mika. But I sign them, see me actually read what I sign in the background. Make. What? Go on.
Earth, you got heaven and earth. Your ways not perfect, but the pussy got the worth. Twerk on the cocky, make it wine on the toe, make it great.
That one a dark. That one a dark skin and chocolate. Baby girl have to twerk on it and wine. Me think I go back. I'm gonna run back in that tune. I'm not go back in that tune. Go on. Just go on.
Grab me shade for your hour too. She's a rebel, you're powerful, so
yeah.
be the good pussy we got.
Move your hand. Every time this is one on the wine and I'm better for the man camera. Me no want to use a hand and hide the fat Smurf. Here. Smurf for sure for your reason for us look point and we'll laugh and we'll go on the antics. Here. Don't put your hand over the Smurf when you're wine. Make me see the Smurf. You understand me? Yeah. No run tune.
You want to spend me chickens and me savings too. Me can't save the world, but I'm saving you.
Cheers above.
Girl, you got a heavenly.
Yeah, that song you real hard react to it. What? What is? Big up yourself. But me never see you. But me never see I say some past video pan man. That's why something there say move. That's why something there say if you ever move 1 inch reaction boss, I go see it. Go on! Oh gosh! So,
pussy bless my girl. What a heavenly hole.
now what kind of little teaser scene them I don't want to show one thing so I go run back with them because teaser scene. You feel like?
What a heavenly.
You don't feel, what do you feel like? What the if you spy type me I go slow motion just to see them bumbo bit. Go on! I'm sure about teaser scene. Yeah! Me a look! Yeah! Me so no now! What do them? What Mr. Director? Russian boss loves to the girl with the fast smurf. The song is about them. And them got the heavenly hole. Who want to see them? Don't run for the truck. Don't run through.
Girl, what a heavenly hole. Extraordinary OMG, I feel no ringtone. Go out,
Mama de pan slide. I do it. You know what? You know what? When you just wake up, go wash your face and brush your teeth now. Go on. Like the video first though and try to find emoji them. If you enjoy the reaction, if you watch the video to that part, I want to comment number 1. Confuse the crowd, just comment number 1. Don't tell me why you comment, don't make them know why you comment 1. Just comment number 1. Confuse the crowd. So why everybody comment 1? You hear me I say? So anybody watch the video to the end of the video, just comment number 1 in the comment section. Big up on yourself. You hear me I say? First 5 person do it, shout out next video. Well, my post numerous, so the video might make it advance. So I get a shout out. You hear me I say? I'm out!